Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Today we're going to be talking about, am I better to keep living in an uninsured as is where is property, or sell and buy a fully compliant property? Okay, first thing to look at is return on investment. Return on investment, they're pretty similar in terms of the cost structure breakdown. You're possibly going to get a little bit more capital gain on a fully compliant property. Most likely are. So it's generally, if you look at the other factors that we're going to talk about in a moment, you're better off buying another property and selling your as is. The risk. Okay, so the risk with a fully insured property is obviously a lot less than if it's uninsured property. So let's say worst case scenario, the property is completely smashed in another earthquake, it's flooded, a fire goes through it. So what do you do next? Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to find another place to live. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing you're going to have to do, if you want to liquidate that section, is you're going to have to demolish that property. Now you're going to lose some residual value on that property, maybe 20 to 40,000. It's going to cost us say 20,000 to demolish that property. Now because there's so many sections out there that have had properties demolished from them, there's going to be an oversupply. So for you to get rid of that section, you're most likely going to have to reduce its price. Okay, so it's going to cost you potentially quite a bit. Okay, so that is the risk with continuing to have an as is where is property. Quality of life, it's a no-brainer really. If you've got a fully compliant property that's got good insulation, good heating, good ventilation, versus a property that doesn't have those things, you're going to have a much better quality of life. Okay, if you want to sell your earthquake damaged property as is where is, privately, no agents fees, flexible settlement and possession, give us a call on 0800 payout. That's 0800 payout, and we'll come and take a look at your property for you. Thanks.